Jolee Moore.
And I'm Parker Johns. We're part of the Back to School crew.
We're here to tell you about our outstanding Cabot Middle Schools.
The principals at Cabot Middle School North are Susie Kelly, Micah House, and Jenny Blackwell.
The principals at Cabot Middle School South are Matt Sheets, Casey Hill, and Mandy Green.
Middle school is amazing. It's 2 years of learning, fun, friends, and awesome activities.
Open house is Thursday, August 12th by appointment only. Your teacher postcard will have your team assignment and a link to sign up for a time to meet your advisory teacher and visit your classroom. You'll also receive bus and car rider information.
Breakfast and lunch are also free again this year. How great is that?
And you know what else is great? There's no supply fee this year. The Cabot School District is providing all school supplies. However, we are still asking parents to pay $10 for a class t-shirt.
Students are asked to bring a backpack, pencils, paper, and a clear drinking bottle. You may also want to get a protective carrying case for your Chromebook.
And one last thing, if you have a child that will be in kindergarten, is a new student or a returning student, you must register or update their information online.
Click on the student registration on our district website. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
Remember, the first day of school is Monday, August 16th.
It's hard to believe a new school year is about to begin. We're so excited and hope you are too.